What's going on? I got a new cookbook by Ducote, Louisiana Outdoor Cooking. Of course, I'll be indoors today, but I'm cooking some sloppy joes from homemade scratch. That's what I call it. So I went down to the Publix and I got everything I need to make it. I've got some bread, some meat, some barbecue sauce, and I've already chopped up these vegetables. Got some onion, green pepper, and red pepper. First thing I got to do is cook the beef. So I'm going to put about a tablespoon of olive oil in there. Oh, it looks about right. And I'm doubling the recipe today, so I've got 2 pounds. I want to have plenty of leftovers I can take with me to work or whatever. And I got a conspiracy theory about this meat at the store. I noticed that the beef that was ground up at the store in its own packaging of the store brand comes in 1.2, 1.3, 1.5 pound packages. I think there's a scam going on. I'm telling you what, everybody knows that whenever you cook something with ground beef, it's 1 pound for the recipe. And if you want to double it, maybe 2 pounds. Most recipes that you look up have 1 pound of this or 1 pound of that. And they sell it in 1.2 pound, 1.3 pound, 1.4 pound packages. I'm telling you, you got to buy more than what you need so they're making more money. And if you need to double it, well, now you got to buy 3 or 3.5 pounds to get your 2 pounds out of, so they're making more money that way anyway. I'm telling you what, man, I think I'm right. Now for the seasoning, I'm using Cajun 2-step. Go ahead and add that to the meat now, making sure to double the recipe. Mix that up. I'll show you something I like about this cookbook. In the back, he's got recipes for all of his seasonings. So he's got his Cajun seasoning, Creole seasoning, hot chicken seasoning, and even some of his rubs and his mustard and his sauces, white barbecue sauce, JD's Louisiana barbecue sauce. So it's kind of neat that he includes all that stuff in the cookbook, so you don't have to worry about trying to buy it online. But of course, I'm using store-bought barbecue sauce and store-bought Cajun seasoning, as you saw. About to get ready to put the vegetables on. All right, the meat's done, so I'm gonna go ahead and get it out and put it in a bowl, and then I'm gonna start cooking the vegetables. Add some more olive oil. And then I'm gonna put the vegetables in there and cook those down. I'll be back in a few minutes when that happens. All right, it's been about 20 minutes and these onions are kind of browning on the edges. I think it's done. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the meat back. Add some water. And the barbecue sauce. Stir that up. I'm gonna let that water get to a boil and I'm gonna simmer it for a little while until the sauce thickens. And then it'll be ready to stir up. Let's do it. All right, it's been 20 minutes. It's thickened up, so let's go ahead and put this here. I got my bread, some brioche style hamburger buns. So let's go ahead and assemble a sandwich. All right, got my hamburger bun. Oh yeah, look at that. Now that's sloppy right there. Let's try it out. This is gonna be messy. I really put too much on it. But it's good. That's good stuff right there. The barbecue sauce, it's just so much better than the Manwich stuff you buy from the store. It's just so much better. If I could do it like this every time, I would. Alright, got it all on my beard and my mustache. Thanks for watching. I guess I'll see you in the next video, right? Bye.